Natulog si Otits. Launa yung medal na. Kita-kits.
Impossible to choose. From food to occupation. Always something.
Driver's license ko sa Pinas. It's for international license. Kung mamanin mo sa double dock, pwede mo doon. Ha? Ako wala akong driver's license.
Walang bubong mo.
What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? You don't have to move mountains to do it perfectly. But if you do something, it's gonna set you free.
Hello? Ano puta? Bakit yung ethics mo ah?
God bless you. Sinakatawan ah.
Ay, naku po. Sige Richard lang yan. Ito, maganda katawan. Oh, ang tagapagmana ng bulbol ni Satanas. Ay, ang ingay. Gangster pala te. Alright, let's go. Oh, yes? Yeah, go. Alright. Love you pa. Mga Roger Jordan. Thank you. Love you. Love you. Hi guys. Hi guys. Welcome to the channel.
Down lang.
Okay, hawak ko na yan kasi kakain naman.
Uy! Ang ating life.
Ay! Ang liner ko, oh my god, nalaglag. Sarap yan. This is the Philippine Sisal. The best among the best.